Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Mechanics on Duty. Today we have a flat tire. Now, as you guys can see, this tire is bubbling inside, you have a nail inside. That means that nail go all the way through and it's leaking inside. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to fix it yourself. First thing that you're going to need is a patching tool. What we want to do with this one, we want to make the hole a little bit bigger and more round so we can put the plug inside. First step, let's go remove the wire, remove the nail inside. You hear that? That's the air coming out of the tire. Now when I remove that, you're gonna hear psh, really loud. Now we put our tool. It's gonna make the hole better for us to patch. Always remember, when you bring this thing inside, the tool, you want this little thread that they here, the teeth, to clean the hole for you. So, we're gonna do that. That should be enough. Now, I want to teach you how to get the plug here, a little trick that I have. Right. This is the plug, this is the tool to slide the plug. Like you can see, it's really hard to get it over there. What I like to do is, I like to put it in a really hard surface, take a little bit hammer, and just hammer the tip in the front. Like you see, it's flat now. It's gonna go way easy here now. Look at that, it's almost all the way inside. After this, you just pull it by your fingers. Now that when it's here, you give it a nice little pull. And it's gonna go inside. Now, another stuff that you can do, put a little bit lube on it. Me personal, I like to use B-sealing. Use a little bit, that's it, of B-sealing to make it really easy to go inside. When you're ready to plug the tire, we're going to remove the tool and slide the plug in with a little bit of B-sealing to make a better loop. Now we're going to slide this inside. You have to make a little bit strange on it. And you pull it out. Now we want to shape up the S's of the plug. You can use a little blade, but I use my snap and cutter there. Now we're gonna test it. Make sure it isn't leaking. You guys can see, no bubbles coming out of there. And bada bing, bada boom, that's how you fix a flat tire.